Hey y'all, it's Hey Stay here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on this wig right here, and of course the infamous wig grips that we've all been told that make sure that your hair does not fall off and you don't need to glue it and you can just go with it. So we're going to do a review on that and I'll let you know my final thoughts in the end of this video. Before I even get to putting on the wig, I'm going to take off my little stocking cap and use the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil that I bought if you watched my previous haul video, just because I got fresh braids and I just wanted to make sure my scalp is taken care of before I put this wig on. So I'm just going to go through the parts of my hair. This actually feels really good. Then I'm going to massage them through the whole. I'm going to take my time and massage it through the braids, making sure I go all the way back to the nape of my head. This review on this hair that I got from Ishow Hair, and we're also going to be doing a review on these wig grips. I decided to order one off of Amazon because I've heard so much about them. Like, I know we've all seen some videos where a lady went on the bull riding contest and got on the bull and their wig slipped off. Well, these are supposed to even be able to withstand that type of force and speed. And the hair is a body wave, but I already washed it and bleached it. So, and I also let it air dry, but it is 24 inches and this is how it comes. I think I'm going to put some light curls in it once I figure out what type of part I want. One thing I like about this wig grip is that it also has a lace piece that you can match up with your lace, so you don't see this hefty cloth underneath your wig. So it's Velcro, of course, so super stretchy, and I think I'm going to do a middle part, which, I mean, that's what I always do anyway. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. Okay. If I keep looking down, it's because I'm looking at my monitor, making sure that I'm in focus and doing this right. Okay, this is snazzy. Let's just put on the wig and see how it looks for now. Ooh. Definitely. My wig is even more snug than it usually is, so that's good. This hair isn't bad. Like I said, I let it air dry and this is how it's looking right now. Definitely gonna put some wand curls and brush them out so I can have some waves, of course. I wonder if I should cut the lace before I decide to style it. I think so. I think that would be best. Okay, so before I cut the lace, I'm gonna make sure that I flatten the top of my hair and make sure the part is centered. I actually haven't tweezed this wig yet. As you can see, the hairline is super thick. Okay, this wig also has hella flyaways, like a lot, but a little mousse should help that. I think whoever has a hard time figuring out what part they want and style that they want for their hair, I know I'm not the only one that struggles with that. look how thick the lace comes. Like that is why tweezing is very important. But I'm going to finesse it for today because I actually have somewhere to be, and I want to wear this wig. Yes, I know I have options, but stubbornness. And it's in a middle part, so that's why I'm doing a middle part, so you don't see that it's not tweezed, so I can semi get away with this. Semi. Trust me, we will get through this. And I'm about to use my wig tint. So I'm about to use the tailored crown wig tint just to make sure the lace matches my skin a little better than what it is now. So how I do that is by taking off the wig, of course, hair, shaking it well just to make sure everything that's in here is mixed well. Take it, hold your wig, and just spray it. You can blow dry this, or you can just wait for it to air dry. Now I didn't saturate the whole thing just where I want my parts, so I'm just gonna just shake it around a bit and it should dry pretty fast. Once you cut the lace, you just want to go back over and just flatten out the top, just in case when you were clipping it back it made it a little frizzy. So just go over that. Alright, I think I've decided that I want to go for some big behind curls, and I'm just going to brush them out, and maybe it'll give me a more beachy wave look. So luckily I already have my wand curl plugged in. I don't know how to use a curling iron, so I always do wand curls and then hope for the best, because those come out good all the time. But definitely want to learn how to actually curl my hair by myself. And what I'm going to be using after I already put heat protection in there, I'm going to be using some bio silk. I don't know why I'm always shaking things. I need to remember to stay still. But yes. So, although this is great for straightening your hair as well, it's also really good while you're curling your hair. So just make sure you coat the hair or the strand that you're working on for now. And I don't wand curl my hair all the way to the top. I like the top to be as flat as possible, and then so I'm going to take the wand curls, place flat, and just wrap it around the wand. I usually, imagination in my head, count to at least 20 or at least 30. When you take the wand curls out, you want to hold it just for a bit. Just kind of squeeze it together, let it get in form, and then you release. See? Boing. I'm a clown, like I said. So I don't mess up this one. Just gonna throw her to the back so I can get this strand. And try and be really careful so you don't burn your neck or your face, because I've done that a couple of times. Not fun at all. One thing that usually comes with your hot tools is a heat resistant glove. I don't use it often, but it's very important. So if the tool, how rude. If the tool that you happen to buy has one, definitely use it if you're just beginning, or even if you're not, because like there's so many times that I try to grip one area and I mistakenly grip the whole hot part of the tool and end up burning my fingers, and it hurts. But I'm just so lazy to put the glove on sometimes, but I always regret not putting the glove on when I do burn myself, because I'm like, this could have surely been avoided, which it could have, but I'm hard-headed. I'm one of those kids where they be like, you have to let a kid touch the stove so they'll learn their lesson. I'll probably touch the stove about 2 to 3 more times before I learn my lesson. That's the amount of hard-headedness that I have. And when you're doing your wand curls, also try and do it in different directions. It gives it a little bit more body when you're done. So try to do it in opposite directions on the same side, and do the same with the other side, just to give it a little more volume, and I feel like it works. You give it a try and let me know if you notice a difference. Okay, so now we're at the very front. We're going to curl it all in one proper direction. This hair does have a lot of flyaways that I'm noticing, which isn't a big deal. You can always just use mousse, but just to let you know that it definitely does have flyaways. So I'm going to curl it away from my face, so when it falls, it's not pointing in towards my face, just so it doesn't take over my face. As you can see, I have a very small head. Mousse that I have on hand, because these flyaways are actually starting to annoy me. They are not laying down. Usually when I flat iron the hair, I can tame most of the flyaways, but this one has a lot. So just be careful if you do end up planning on ordering this hair. I'm going to brush this out because I said I want it deep waves. So you just take a brush and just bam. Bam. And I'm going to just quickly curl the other side off camera and then give you my review and how I like this hair, and of course the wig grip under which my wig isn't moving, so that's really good. Unless you physically like pick up the wig and adjust it, me pulling it isn't, yeah. So I actually do really like this wig grip, and it's making the wig feel even more snug on my head because I have a small head, so usually my wigs are a little bit bigger and I have to use the back straps to attach together just so it actually fits. So I'm actually enjoying not having to do that with my wig today. But let me give you guys my final thoughts on this ishow 24-inch body wave. Although it's a little thin, I think this is 180 density, or I mean 150 density. It feels like it's 130, and I would know because I'm a 130 girl. But the flyaways, I can usually deal with flyaways, but this literally has a ridiculous amount. It's like every other is flyaways, which I don't really like. I feel like they're just using it to fill it in, which is also, I feel like, a little bit of cheating with hair. But the wig grip definitely underneath, I love it. It's, like I said, very sturdy. Your wig is not coming off. I did not even glue this wig down to be finalized, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. I feel comfortable. I feel like it's safe for me to just go out with it, and I'm definitely going to put it to use and let my edges rest, because I don't always have to glue my hair on anymore. I can just put my wig grip on and put my wig on and just step out the house. But for the price of this hair, I think it's also a decent amount for a decent wig. So if you're on a budget and you still want to look like a bad bee, definitely look into purchasing this hair if you do not mind flyaways. If you do, you can go through some of my other hair videos and check out those hairs, because I don't feel like they had that bad or too many flyaways. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do not forget to like, comment, and if you have not, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.